2018 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, center armrest, power windows, rear window defroster, compass, CD player, electronic stability control, trip computer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.